dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 7. Look dear students, here we will discuss today about our assignment, which is number 6, and this is our lecture number 5, and this assignment you have to submit on 13th October. Okay, so dear students, please follow the board. Here you have to write at first the title is morality shock. Okay, look dear students, now I am going to discuss about our assignment topic. Okay, look here, look dear students, lesson numbers and topics from lesson 8. Reader gets a letter from his cousin. Unit 4, look dear students, this is from Unit 4, Lesson 8. Reader gets a letter from his cousin. And other lessons you have to read, like Lesson 1, a teacher, Lesson 2, a teacher part 2, Lesson 4, fixed price shop, Lesson 5, morality shop, Lesson 6, the homemaker. Now dear students, now we will discuss about the assignment task. Okay, look here, read the letter of Unit 4, Lesson 8, Section A, pages 38 and 39. Okay, so at first you have to read the letter of Unit 4, Lesson 8, Section A, pages 38 and 39. Then write a letter to your close friend. Write a letter to your close friend mentioning number 1, what you have learned from this letter. Number 2, how morality shop can help your school and community. Number 3, its usefulness to develop your morality. Look dear students, here this is our assignment number 6. Okay, look dear students, this is our assignment number 6. Okay, now dear students, we will learn about its criteria. If you can get excellent if you write your assignment like this way. At first, answering all questions with paper information. Then number 2, concept organized properly. Then number 3, grammatically correct. Then number 4, correct spelling. Okay, now dear students, now I am going to discuss about our today's topic. Dear students, here I am going to give you only some idea, and you have to write this assignment by using your own creativity. Okay, look dear students, so our topic is what? Write a letter to your close friend mentioning what you have learned from this letter, how morality shop can help your school and community, and its usefulness to develop your morality. Dear students, you can start this, you have to write this letter like this way. Okay, by making this format like this way, you have to write this letter. At first, of course, you have to write the date and you have to write the place. Okay, then of your own place, here you have to write, that means the address. Then of course you have to write here your friend's name, any name you can write here. So like this way you can start, like, dear X, I hope you are well, I am also well. Today I have come to know a new and very amazing thing by reading our English book, English for Today. I have found it in page 38 and 39. Okay dear students, you can start your writing like this way. You can write, today I have come to know a new and very amazing thing by reading our English book, English for Today. I have found it in page 38 and 39. Okay, it is a shop without any shopkeeper. Its name is Morality Shop. Everybody can buy things putting price money in the cash box. We are thinking about to open a morality shop in our school. Okay dear students, then you can write, it will give me a great lesson of morality, honesty and integrity is the only thing to succeed in life. I can exercise my honesty by using this moral shop. So it will play a very important role to develop my life and our community peaceful. Then you can write, only the honesty can bring the peace and happiness of mind, and that state of mind can make a peaceful society. Morality shop provides me the opportunity to be honest. Anybody can take a moral lesson from here. Write to me your feeling and about this shop. Okay, like this way you can finish your letter, and at last you have to write this concluding part. Okay, here you have to draw the step 2. Okay, and here you have to write your own address, and there you will write your friend's street. Okay, friend's address here you have to write. So dear students, you have to submit this assignment on 30th October. Okay. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.